Welcome back friends. Today's topic is how to create a category wise total table in Power BI. Here in this Power BI document, I have loaded this sales data table which has the date column, product name column and quantity sold column. In the product name column, the product names are repeating multiple times. The requirement here is to create a separate table that will summarize the product names and the quantity sold. For this, click on the new table. In the table equal to, you can put here product wise total equal to, then use the summarize function. This one, click on this. In this table parameter, select the table name, that is sales data. So put here sales and click on the sales data table. Then put a comma. In the group by column name 1, you have to select the column of the table based on which you want to summarize. That is the product name column of the sales data table. So click on this, put a comma. In this group by column name 2, you have to select the second column if you have multiple columns to summarize. But in this case, we have only one column for summarizing, so you can skip this. In the name 1 parameter, we have to put the column header name for the values to be summarized. So that will be the total quantity sold. So put here double quotation, total quantity sold, double quotation, then put a comma. And finally, in the expression parameter, we have to use the sum function. So put here sum, open bracket, then select the quantity sold column of the sales data table, close two brackets, then press enter. Here you see a new table is created with the name of product wise total, which has summarized this sales data table. The unique name of the products are kept in the first column and the quantity sold are aggregated. And this method is for creating a separate table in the data model view. But if you want to create a category wise total table in this report view, then you can directly create a table visual here and drag and drop the product name and quantity from the sales data table itself. Simply click on this table visual. This will add here a table visual. Then you can drag and drop this product name in the visual and drag and drop the quantity sold in the visual. And here you see the category wise total quantity sold table is automatically created here. You do not require to create this separate table in the data model if you want to create the category wise table in the report view. But if you want to create a separate table in the table view or in the data model, then you have to follow this method. If you want to practice this, you can download the sample Excel workbook file from the video description below. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next tutorial.